What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Honestly, I don't know. I lost my phone. I did find my phone, and the person reached out to me with it, and that's how they brought it back.
Wow.
All destroyed. I can't even see out the front, or it makes no noise or anything.
Oh my god. Glass is dropping everywhere. Wow. You trying to fix the both side?
Yeah.
Wow. Don't worry. I got you. Looking bad.
There you go.
Time to fix back glass. Your phone is ready, sir.
Wow. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Looking good?
Looking good. Oof. All right.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.